My mom and my sisters are all teachers. My siblings are teachers. My grandmothers were teachers. So the biggest influence was my mom. I grew up helping her in her classroom, and I loved it. And I remember cutting out papers and correcting papers on the weekends for her. And I played school when I was a young girl and knew always that I wanted to grow up and be a teacher. I think a teacher needs to love learning. So I expect my students to learn, and I expect that of myself, to continue to learn. I think my students will be able to say that they learned a lot. They learned a lot in reading and math and science and social studies. But I really hope that the one thing they learned is that they love learning and that they learned how to be responsible for themselves. One of the big quotes I use in my classroom every day is that you are responsible for you. So I believe that they can really be in charge of their own learning and find a love for it. I think if you love learning and you love being with children, that you should go into teaching. There are so many fun things that happen during the day, and I have students that say the cutest, funnest things, and they are so excited to learn and grow as I am. And so I think if you love children and if you love learning, that teaching is a great profession. In my classroom, I'm making sure that I'm reaching each child individually. So I do a lot of one-on-one teaching. So while they're working, I'm able to pull students one-on-one and reteach what I need to reteach. And I'm also able to modify the work. So some students may be only doing a few problems where other students are doing a few more, or other students are we're diving deeper into whatever it is I'm teaching. So I have that going on in my classroom all day long, every day. And I think it's really important because there are so many different ways to learn and different levels in each classroom.